You want to trade crypto but don't know what to buy? Simple, just flip a coin. Heads, you buy. Tails, you sell. Foolproof, right? Well, let's see what happens. At first it feels great. No stress, no overthinking, no staring at charts like you're trying to decipher ancient symbols, just pure, unfiltered randomness. The coin says buy and boom, your trade pumps. Wow, I'm a genius. But then tails comes up, you sell. And right after the price skyrockets. Amazing, but not for you. You keep flipping. Heads, you FOMO into a project right before it dumps. Tails, you sell at the literal bottom. Your portfolio starts looking less like an investment strategy and more like abstract art. A mix of random trades, regret, and coins you don't even remember buying. But hey, it's a system, right? 50/50 odds? That's fair, except it's not. Because the market doesn't care about your coin flips. And luck has a funny way of running out exactly when you need it most. See, trading isn't just guessing, it's about strategy, risk management, actually knowing why you're buying something. If flipping a coin worked, professional traders wouldn't spend years studying charts. Hedge funds wouldn't hire analysts, they'd hire street magicians. But they don't, because they know that making money isn't about chance, it's about smart decisions. Meanwhile, your coin is making all your financial choices for you. And let's be honest, it's not doing a great job. You can't even blame bad advice this time. No misleading tweets, no sketchy influencers, just you, and a piece of metal deciding your future. Not exactly the best investment strategy. So, what's the takeaway? If you're relying on luck, you're basically gambling in a game where the house always wins. Instead of flipping a coin, try flipping through some research. It might not be as exciting, but your wallet will thank you. Want to take your crypto skills to the next level? Join us and step up your crypto game.